If you are descending into Abuja Airport, the habitats, the type of infrastructure within the environs, Your Excellency, does not represent the good image of this country. And I think that the FCT minister should capture in their next budget, if not incorporated in this, to either relocate the habitats of the people within the airport or renew the area.
Which part gives you cramps in your stomach?
It's the shanties within the back of the airport, Your Excellency.
The owners of that village, are you saying that we should go to those villages and evacuate them so that when your plane is coming down, well, those in support say aye, those against say nay. The nays have it.
In the history of this 10th Assembly of Impunity, headed by Akpabio, we are seeing something we can mark good. And what is it? You know this one that came from Ebonyi State, that unfortunate accidental senator, the one that spilled gibberish from his mouth. Listen to this. You want to see the effect of New York when you're coming into Abuja from your private jet and from your aeroplane. When you look at Abuja, it will look like New York. A man from Ebonyi State. I don't want to castigate Ebonyi State because I know what their governor did. Building a lot of infrastructure, including airports. Only cat and rats occupy. That the only time plane goes in and out of there is when Nwaboy and the Governor Omai goes in there. Where poverty has ridiculed a lot of people that they are all running out of their state, despite the infrastructure. In our concrete infrastructure without human infrastructure. Okay? This same man that was picked from the gutters. You know, poverty is a spirit. Poverty cannot be measured by the amount of money in your bank account. No matter how much you have stolen and accumulated. When you still have this poverty mentality, the thing they enter their head. And I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. Onye na-amụrụ na ọ ga-akpụ ọdụ, ọnwa anwa akpụ ọdụ, ọ ga-akpụ nke aka na abụ na ọkpa na abụ. Na-azụzi ekem na ikem, zọgbuo ova n'ụkwụ. You know? Onye na-amụrụ na oye chi eze. Somebody that doesn't know, if Nigeria had been a sane society, a sane clime, people like this should be working as cleaners in the local government. Never do worse like this that have occupied sensitive position in this country and have ridiculed the lives of Nigerians and its economy, who have occupied positions of authority. Many of them do not qualify to be local government cleaners in the right sense. But here you have a people where the worst of the people are in power, where the worst and the worst of the worst and the ones that are elevated to sensitive position. And you think this country can move forward? Foul.
BBI, I beg to differ. This country can move forward when we stop stereotyping a people. Abakaliki people are beautiful people, intelligent, and the most wonderful people I've met in my life. I've lived in Abakaliki, I've been there, and I know the people. And I'm not sure you can stay in Anambra and talk about Ebonyi people the way you do. I have been following your video. Each time anything bad happens in Anambra, any criminal activity, you try to pin it down on Ebonyi people. And that is unacceptable. If you want to call on your Kachinwe Ebonyi out, the senator from Ebonyi State, for any reason, please go ahead and do that. I'm not defending him in any way. But if you are talking about these people from Ebonyi State, that is stereotyping. The kind of language you use is unacceptable. And when you talk about the infrastructural development in Ebonyi State, I think the state has done well. Talk about starting from Sam Ewu, Elechi, Dave Umahi, and to the present governor, who has done well in terms of human development. When he came on board, he paid the arrears of gratuities and pensions being owed these people right from 1996 when the state was created to the present. What else is human development? can you have infrastructural development and dead people? They can go together. Just like Soludo built a wonderful government house. Who is going to live there? Misplaced priority. So please get your information right and stop stereotyping a people. Ebonyi people are wonderful people. Anambra people live in Ebonyi state. And I think as people like Olisabetu, they schooled in Ebonyi. And a lot of other Anambra indigenes, they will tell you that Ebonyi state has done well and is a state which progress is far better than other states from the southeast that were created before Ebonyi state. Please, please, and please do not stereotype Ebonyi people. For the audience watching this video, get in the comment section and tell me what you think that about what BVN has said. Is it right to stereotype Ebonyi people because of when you're catching a boy? Or could he have done better? Let me know. As you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and please share this video. See something, say something, and please do something. Until we meet again in this arena. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Thank you.
We were given for the exercise as a takeoff. Yes. You know, we don't police. I go back. Francis Mufu. Nandi on lawyer nine, no my Ebonyi state. Lotel Wogwenye Dicam. Sika Nibia will guard. Or Gadiru no Manaha Jesus. Amen. Who you don't need to see Ronaldo. Papa Maulian Asachu. He Homa Ganesu. Promotion Ganesu. Easy boy and easy no now. Who won Ganemeluna for Naha Jesus?
Is Chris Diggers in Open Whispers. Thank you.